In this video, I'll show you how to make this logo shine effect in Premiere Pro. Alright, let's get started. I've already placed a background and 3 different logo onto my timeline. Now, select the first logo layer and head over to the effects panel. Search for the lighting effects, and you can either drag and drop it or double-click to apply it to your logo layer. Next, go to the Effect Controls panel and within the lighting effects, play around with different lights and settings. For this example, let's set the ambience intensity to 100 and exposure to 1. Now, add a rectangular mask and stretch it diagonally. To create the logo shine animation, move the mask to where you want it to start, like the top left corner. After that, go back to the effects panel and click on the stopwatch icon next to the mask path. Move your playhead few seconds ahead, select mask 1 to reveal it in the preview window, and drag the mask to the bottom right corner of the logo. Now you can just copy and paste the same effect to the other logos. Your animation will be determined by the shape and position of the mask. If you think it's too intense, then you can adjust mask feather value, and this is what you'll end up with.